was a few weekends ago, maybe 2 weekends ago now. There was a party down the beach. My brother decided to have a party. He was going away.
Yes.
He was going up north.
I do remember this party.
Yeah. It was a good party. It was fun. There's lots of people down there. Good music, tunes. Anyway, I walked home. Everyone ended up back at my house. My brother was staying with me.
Yeah.
Decided it was a good idea for some reason. I don't really know why, but it was a good idea in his mind.
I was part of this. Go on.
To bring everyone back to my house. It was 2 a.m.
It was a great idea. Do you know why?
Why?
We rocked, Jeff.
Did ya?
We rocked the house down.
Yeah, right. Literally.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, you did. And my neighbours were mighty angry.
They should be like Ramsey Street neighbours, Jeff. They shouldn't be complaining.
It's almost worse, Crackles, than the 2 a.m. call from your mate wanting to come home because you're drunk, needing a lift, and you're in bed.
Yeah, well, that's different.
No, but it's worse. You get woken up. You're in bed already.
Yeah.
Probably going to bed about 10. You've slept for a few hours. Something wakes you up. There's nothing that irritates you.
You were already awake, though, weren't you? You were already awake.
Not me.
Oh.
The neighbour.
Ah, the neighbour.
The neighbour.
You know, I reckon your thing is, though, eh?
What's that?
Your biff.
What?
Is that you borrow a lot of sugar. And you reckon that if you
I'm not gonna
upset
get my
the neighbours, you're not going to get a nice cup of tea in the morning anymore.
I need my sugar. As you know, Crackles, I'm not very sweet, and I need it.
You are pretty sweet, mate.
Am I?
Yeah, I'm going to put it out there.
Maybe I should stop borrowing sugar then. Too sweet, you reckon?
Probably.
Yeah?
Probably to that point where you go, oh, too sweet.
Crackles and Gaffer.
Anyway, I got in trouble for that. And I live there, and I'm the man of the house. I'm in charge.
Hello.
Yeah, I do
Putting
everything.
it out there, aren't you? You're putting a crown on your own head.
Sorry, roomies. I'm the man of the house.
Do you pay all the bills?
No.
Not the man. You're not the man of the house.
No,
you're a provider.
That doesn't make me the man.
You're a gatherer.
That doesn't not make me the man.
Anyway.
Maybe I'm the woman of the house. No, I'm the man of the house. I don't pick the berries. I instruct who picks the berries for gathering and
you're a supervisor.
Collecting. Yeah,
you're not a man of the house.
I'm the man of the house.
Okay. So then what happened? What happened? The neighbours got angry?
Yeah, because I'm the man of the house, I copped all the blame. So I went round the neighbours. I got a call from one of the neighbours because I'm the man of the house. I get calls from my neighbours.
No, that's usually what the gatherer does, Jeff. They usually go out and meet all the neighbours, become great friends. Come around, we're having a barbecue. Yeah, come around.
So
no.
You're saying I should have gone around there with a spear and just intimidated them because I'm the man.
Yeah, that's what men do.
I don't think that's
they
that's
mark their territory. You should have weed on a letterbox.
That's not what a man does.
Okay.
All right.
I don't know what I've been doing then.
No, you've been doing wrong things to your neighbours. So I copped the brunt, the punishment.
Yeah.
The lecturing. Why we shouldn't have parties at the house.
You got a lecture, did you?
A long-winded. My husband knows.
What was their thing?
What?
What was their lecture? What did they say?
She goes, you shouldn't have people around that time of night. My husband knows real estate rules of rentals. That kind of thing.
Oh, here we go.
And
I know a friend of a friend.
She tried to dominate the man of the house.
Yeah, she was being man of the house.
Maybe she's the man of her house. Probably. But she was teaching me the rules and the regulations of the street. That's what she was.
Of the street. Yeah. This is Ramsey Street madness. This is true. This is real.
This is real Ramsey Street. Real neighbours.
Yeah, this is really happening.
I know, and it was a fairly.
You know what you should have done though?
What?
You know what you should have done, Jeff? Should have got Toadie onto it. Crackles and Gaff with ya.
Good neighbours become.